Today I want to rate or to give you some feedback on your site because you asked some feedback on Reddit. This is the site. First, let me tell you what I like and what I would improve, and then I will go to Figma and try to redesign this website. Now I'm scrolling, but the image is still on the screen. You have an about section. You have some text running on here. You have work or portfolio, I think. The contact. Okay, first, what do I like about this site? It's bold. Yeah, the text is bold. It's creative. Images are big. Here the contrast is nice between this text and this text. You have some colors here and there. You have some nice effects coming from the right here, and generally speaking is a nice looking site. Now, the things I could improve to this site are the following. Here I understand you have the menu. What I don't understand is why did you put home here, apart of the rest of the menu. Basically, when someone enters your site, and this is a general rule applied to print materials as well, or any kind of design materials, or what's put in the top left is what is read first. So this is the first thing I see when I enter your site, home. What I would do here, if you have a logo, you can put your logo here, or if you don't have a logo, I will try to move this home menu right here on the right, because it's the same as the rest of the menu. I don't understand why it should be separated. Here, for example, open to work, it's too close to the edge. I would leave a margin here, a padding or something, a space. And I really don't like that. If you look right here, I'm scrolling right now, but this image stays. Look how much I'm scrolling and the image is still there. I would understand if the image would change when I'm scrolling, but the slideshow of the images and the scrolling are not tied together, yeah. And right here, okay, now it's in the right, the slideshow, it's okay. Here I would leave some more space, and here this text I would put it in, or I would set it in lowercase, because you already have text in uppercase here. For better contrast, I would put this in lowercase. Next, we have another section that is about. I would delete this line because you have already a negative space here, yeah, that is forming a line. I don't know, I think this text is a little bit too big. And something I don't understand is why did you put this running text with your name here. I understand that is catchy, it's for the eyes, it's a nice effect, but personally I would choose not to put it at all. And here experience is running text as well. I would choose not to put it. Okay, next. Yeah, this is kind of a mess, sorry to say you that, because I would leave some more space between paragraphs, just for better contrast. Here I have again your name running on this band right here. I would I personally not choose to put it at all. And here you have, this is the same font, I believe so, but let's check it. I have an extension named Fonts Ninja. You can find it in Chrome extensions. And okay, let's see what fonts do you have on your site. Now you have Inter, you have Proto, you have Robota, and you have Couture. Okay, this is a lot of fonts for a single site. So here you have Couture Bold. Okay, let's see a little bit. But here you have a font, and here you have another font. Usually it's good for contrast to use fonts, but they should be different fonts. Here this font is similar to this one. What you want is to use a serif font with a sans serif font for contrast, for example, for a better contrast. Okay, let's see. Like you have work here. If I want to click, I cannot click on the image I can click here, but I cannot click on the image. What I want to do is to click on the image to go there. And you have a contact section. I would put contact here on the center, because you have here a negative space, and would this moved here would better balance the design overall. The color of the send button is too similar to the background. I would choose a color or something when I hover over it. And what I also noticed is that you don't have CTA across the side. Yeah, a call to action button. Okay, so this is how I would redesign your site.